Mastermind presents Evolutes and Envelopes. Evolute of Parabola. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button.
Now we are going to see what is evolute and envelope of the given curve. First, evolute and envelope. First, what is evolute? The definition of evolute is the locus of center of curvature of the curve is called evolute. The given curve is called involute. For example, I am taking any curve. So we know that how to find the center of curvature. The center of curvature is x bar comma y bar. In previous session we know that how to find center of curvature, that is x bar and y bar. Suppose C1 dash is the center of curvature at a point P1 of the curve C. Similarly, at a point P2, the center of curvature is C2 dash, etc. You can find so many center of the curvature. Then the locus of center of the curvature of the curve, the locus of center of curvature of the curve is called evolute. So I am here considering it is a C dash. So C dash is the evolute of curve C, and C is called involute of curve C dash. Therefore, from the definition, locus of center of curvature is called the evolute. So, working procedure of finding evolute of the given curve is, let us consider y is equal to f of x is a given curve with the parametric function x of t and y of t, where t is the parameter. First step, you have to find x bar, that is center of curvature x bar and y bar. X bar is equal to x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 squared, and y bar is equal to y plus 1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 squared. We know that y1 is nothing but differentiation of dy by dx, y2 is d square y by dx squared. To find the evolute, just you eliminate x, y from these three equations. Taking the example 1, find the evolute of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Solution: considering a parametric equation of parabola, that is at squared comma 2at, just you find dy by dx. Before that, I have to find what is dx by dt, that is dx by dt is equal to 2at and dy by dt is equal to 2a. Using dx by dt and dy by dt, y1 that is equal to dy by dx, that is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So using that, dy by dt value is 2a divided by dx by dt value is 2at, that is equal to 1 by t. Now already we know that y1 is dy by dx is equal to 1 by t. Therefore y1 value is equal to 1 by t. Now we are going to find what is y2. y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square, that is d by dx of dy by dx. The dy by dx is 1 by t, that is equal to d by dx of 1 by t. Now using the chain rule, it is a function of t, but we need differentiation with respect to x. Then it can be written as d by dt of 1 by t into dt by dx. Therefore y2 value is equal to d by dt of 1 by t into the dt by dx is the reciprocal of dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 2at. So reciprocal of dx by dt is 1 by 2 times of at. Since we know that dx by dt is equal to 2 times of at. Now you differentiating this with respect to t, you getting minus 1 by t square into 1 by 2 times of at, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 times of at cube. Therefore y2 is equal to minus of 1 by 2 times of at cube. So this is y2, this is y1, and we know that the parametric form of x and y is at squared comma 2at. Now using this all the value, we are going to find what is the center of curvature x bar. X bar is equal to x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 squared, and y bar is equal to y plus 1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 squared. We are substituting value of y1, y2 and x and y. So x bar is equal to a t squared, y1 value is 1 by t and y2 value is minus 1 by 2 times of at cube. At cube into 1 plus y1 squared is 1 by t squared. Now you simplifying this, at squared minus, so this t and the power of t cube 1 t cancelled, and take remaining in the denominator of the denominator into the numerator, minus into minus plus, therefore it becomes 2at squared, and taking the LCM, t squared plus 1 divided by t squared. Now the t squared are cancelled, that is equal to a t squared plus 2a into t squared plus 1. Again you can write this is a t squared plus 2 times of a t squared plus 2a. This is x bar. From this I have to find what is the parameter value t. So again it is a like terms, at squared plus 2at squared is equal to 3 times of at squared plus 2a. From this I am finding what is the t value, because I have to eliminate the parameter t. Therefore t squared is equal to x bar minus 2a divided by 3a. So considering this equation is 1. Similarly we are going to find what is the y bar. So y bar is equal to 2at plus 1 divided by 1 by minus 1 by 2at cube into 1 plus 1 by y1 squared, that is t squared. So simplifying this, plus into minus minus, and denominator of the denominator is go to the numerator, that is 2at minus 2at cube into 1 plus 1 by t squared. Either you take the LCM and can cancel, otherwise you multiply this 2at cube inside this bracket, that is equal to 2at minus 2at cube, minus into plus minus, then 2at cube by t squared, the cancelling this t. Now we are getting here remaining only 280, that is minus 280 plus 280, cancelling these two terms, remaining we have minus 2at cube. From that implies, again you are finding the t cube. T cube is equal to minus of y bar by 2a. This equation is represented as 2. From 1 and 2 we have to eliminate the parameter t. Here you having the power of t is square. Here you having the power t is 3. So I have to make it as a power is same. Equating 1 and 2 you can eliminate t. From 1 taking cube of both sides, that is t square the whole cube is equal to x bar minus 2a the whole cube divided by 3a cube, that is 27a cube. Similarly from 2 squaring on both sides, so that is t power cube of whole squared is equal to minus y bar whole squared is y bar squared divided by 4a squared. That implies here also having t power 6 is equal to x bar minus 2a the whole cube divided by 27a cube. Here t power 6 is equal to y bar squared 4a squared. From this two we know that the right hand sides are equal, that is x bar minus 2a the whole cube by 27a cube is equal to y bar squared divided by 4a squared. Now a cube, here a squared is cancelled, remaining we have 27a, you cross multiplied 27a y bar squared is equal to 4 times of x bar minus 2a the whole cube. Therefore locus of x bar comma y bar is 27a y square is equal to 4 times of x minus 2a the whole cube, which is a evolute of a parabola. In similar way we can find evolute of parabola. Evolute of parabola x square is equal to 4ay with parametric function 2at comma at square. The answer becomes 27a x square is equal to 4 times of y minus 2a whole cube.
Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe and click on the bell button.